Sabbaticals have spread in popularity as organizations embrace time off to help employees improve themselves and their work. But what actually happens during sabbaticals to spur self-improvement and career invigoration? By interviewing 50 diverse professionals, researchers found that sabbaticals that include the core building blocks of recovery, exploration, and practice consist of 3 typical trajectories: working holidays, free dives, and quests. Working holidays typically consist of non-routine projects such as writing books or starting nonprofits. Participants dedicate their time to passion projects while also taking small periods for recovery. After sabbaticals, they return to their former work lives, though with greater confidence and a stronger need for balance. Those on free dives often pursued travel and adventure, sometimes to distant parts of the world. Many free divers sought to better understand their authentic selves and pursued exploration as a means of self-discovery. When free divers returned to work, they often pursued better fitting but similar work, such as changes in position or new employers. People on quests sought rest, work, and experiences, making quests the sole sabbaticals that incorporated all 3 building blocks. People on quests rarely planned them, often feeling pushed out of work by toxic workplaces or burnout. At first, they sought recovery, but often transitioned to travel and starting new projects. Questers returned from sabbaticals with a much deeper and truer sense of self, realizations that made them the most likely of the 3 to make drastic career and life changes. Wonder how sabbaticals help workers improve and self-actualize? If so, you may want to read this paper.